Nobody tells you this when you start trying to make money online. You don't need an audience. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need to have been posting for years, building up some kind of authority. What you need is one good video on the right platform, pointing to the right offer. Allow me to explain exactly how this process works. Short-form video platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are not like traditional social media. On Facebook or Twitter, your content mostly reaches people who already follow you. But short-form video platforms are discovery engines. Their entire algorithm is designed to push content to people who have never seen you before, based purely on whether your content is relevant and engaging. That means a brand new account with 0 followers can get 10,000, 50,000, even 100,000 views on a single video, not because of who you are, because of what you made. This completely changes the game for anyone trying to build an online income from scratch. Here is the model I want to walk you through. Step 1 is to pick one offer to promote. Not 10, not 5, 1. The biggest mistake beginners make is jumping between products, chasing commissions. You want one offer you understand, believe in, and can talk about consistently. The offer I recommend for beginners is the daily income method. It pays $200 per referral. It has a done-for-you sales funnel already built, and it has pre-written email follow-up sequences that automatically nurture every lead you send in. You drive the traffic. The system handles the rest. Step 2 is creating content around a problem your audience already has. You are not making ads. You are making helpful, honest, short videos that answer questions people are already asking. Things like how to make money online without experience, how to earn commissions without running ads, or what a done-for-you digital business actually looks like. When your content solves a real problem, the platform pushes it to people who need it. Those are your buyers. Step 3 is consistency over perfection. Your first 10 videos will not be your best. That is fine. The people winning with short-form video are not the most talented creators. They are the most consistent ones. They post when they are unsure. They learn from what works. They keep going. The daily income method includes AI content tools to help you generate ideas and scripts faster so you can maintain that consistency without burning out. Step 4 is sending traffic to a system that converts. This step is where most beginners lose. They figure out traffic, but then send people to a weak offer with no follow-up. With the daily income method, the funnel is already built and the email sequences are already written. Every person who clicks your link receives professional follow-up on your behalf. That means you can be asleep and the system is still working. Here is what the math looks like at a basic level. 5 sales a month at $200 per sale equals $1,000. 10 sales are $2,000. You do not need massive volume because the commission per sale is high enough that a small number of consistent results adds up quickly. No ad budget, no existing audience, no product to create. Just short-form video, one focused offer, and a done-for-you system handling everything behind the scenes. The link to the daily income method is in the description. Go take a look and see if this model makes sense for where you are right now. Hit the like button if this video helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.